In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to embed a form on Framer, a design tool which allows the integration of forms seamlessly. This comprehensive guidance will turn you into a pro even if you are a novice with this platform. Ready? Let's get started. First thing to do is to navigate on the internet to the Framer platform. It's not enough to just open your browser. You need to ensure you are at the right place. After opening up your favorite web browser, enter into the search bar the name of our destination. That is, Framer. This will take us to the main page of the Framer platform. It's from here we begin our journey into the integration of forms. Upon landing on the Framer website, the next action to be taken is to insert a form. But where do we insert it? We do that by clicking on the Insert option. Look for the Insert tab or button, which is typically placed conveniently on the screen for users to locate. Once you've found it, just click it. As simple as that. This will open various options for elements you can insert into your project on Framer. Once you have clicked the Insert button, you have opened a new palette of tools and features. To embed the form, we need to head in a particular direction. That direction comes in the form of us going to the Forms section. Scrutinize the available options and find the one labeled Forms. This option will enable us to upload a contact form, a feedback form, or any other type of form, depending on the needs of your project. After you have located the Forms option, the final step in this process is to click on the Form Builder. Why the Form Builder? It's because we are not just embedding any type of form, we are crafting the form we need for our project. The Form Builder option grants us more flexibility and versatility over the forms. Once you find the Form Builder option, select it. This option will provide you with a Form Builder interface, where you will have the ability to create your desired form from scratch. By this point, you have successfully executed all the steps required to embed a form on Framer. Bear in mind that this process implied that you have a form all set and ready to go. But if you've followed these steps meticulously, you'll find that the process isn't as daunting as it might have seemed at first. And even more, you've added a new skill to your portfolio. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it beneficial and that it helps you excel as you create beautiful, dynamic forms on the Framer platform. Always remember, learning is a journey, and each new skill is a milestone. Happy designing with Framer.